Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and speed test of this Seagate 8TB hard drive. It's a SATA drive. It's the BarraCuda 3.5 internal drive. We'll open this up so you get a closer look at the drive, and then I'll run a CrystalDiskMark speed test so you know what kind of speeds you might expect. Of course, if you are interested in this drive or any of the components I'm using, they're all linked below in the description. But let's go ahead and dive right into it. So again, this is the Seagate 8TB hard drive. It's a SATA drive, and it's the BarraCuda 3.5 internal drive. Versatile, fast, dependable. A couple things I did want to point out here. It is compatible with most Windows and Mac systems. And also on the back here, it does say it's engineered to deliver 55 terabytes per year workload rating, and it's got the multi-tier caching technology. On the top here, it also does say it has a 2-year limited warranty. Let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box, you've got your warranty information here, and then of course the drive, we'll pull that open. Comes in this kind of foil package. And of course, we've got the drive. So the top here, kind of a metal housing on it. BarraCuda Seagate 8TB. Under my finger is the serial number, and it does say it is a product of Thailand. On the side here, we've got our mounting screw holes. There weren't any screws in the box, so keep that in mind if you do need screws. And then the same thing on the other side here. On the back, of course, we've got the back of a circuit board there. And then on the top here, we do have our power connector, our SATA connector, and then there is jumper pins there if you need those as well. So I'm going to go ahead and install this here, and then I'll come back to you and we'll run a speed test so you can see what kind of speeds you might expect to get. All right, so I got the new hard drive installed and all set up here on my system. It gave me a total of 7.27 terabytes of free space out of the 8 terabytes. And now I can go ahead and copy all of my files and photos, etc. in here and start using it. Let's go ahead and open up the CrystalDiskMark test here, and I'm going to select the drive here. It's the W drive on my system, and we'll go ahead and run this test so we can see what kind of speeds we're getting. If you are wondering, I'm running an i7 13700K system with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. So I'll let this run and then come back to you in a couple minutes when it's complete. All right, so the speed test is complete here. I'll let you pause it if you do want to have a closer look at all of the numbers, but I'll go over the main read and write speed. So the main read speed I got was 192.98 megabytes per second, and the main write speed is 184.33 megabytes per second. Those are pretty good for a hard drive itself. I know it's not a solid state drive or an NVMe drive, but this is going to work great for backup on my system, for photos, for files, for different things like that. So great option. And again, this is the Seagate 8TB hard drive. It's a SATA drive, the BarraCuda 3.5 internal drive.